오늘의 문장
뭐든지
whatever, whatever,
누구든지
whoever, whoever,
어디든지
wherever, wherever,
언제든지
whenever, whenever,
내 잘못
My fault. My fault.
내 잘못이에요.
It is my fault. It is my fault.
내 잘못이었어요.
It was my fault. It was my fault.
내 잘못이 아니었어요.
It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault.
나는 할 수 있어요.
I can, I can,
나는 할 수 없어요.
I can't, I can't,
로그인 하는 것은
to log in, to log in,
로그인이 안 돼요.
uh-oh, I can't log in, I can't log in,
을 남기는 것은
To leave. To leave.
당신의 의견,
Your comment. Your comment.
당신의 의견을 남기는 것은
To leave your comment. To leave your comment.
아래에
Below. Below.
아래에 당신의 의견을 남겨주세요.
Please leave your comment below. Please leave your comment below.
당신은 해요.
You do. You do.
당신은 했어요.
You did. You did.
당신이 한 일,
What you did. What you did.
나는 알아요.
I know. I know.
나는 당신이 한 일을 알아요.
I know what you did. I know what you did.
지난 여름,
Last summer. Last summer.
나는 당신이 지난 여름에 한 일을 알아요.
I know what you did last summer. I know what you did last summer.
Ooh, scary,
당신은 할 수 있어요.
You can. You can.
당신이 할 수 있으면
If you can. If you can.
을 잡는 것은
To catch. To catch.
나를 잡는 것은
To catch me. To catch me.
나를 잡으세요.
Catch me. Catch me.
잡을 수 있으면 나를 잡아보세요.
Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can.
을 원하는 것은
to want, to want,
나는 을 원해요.
I want, I want,
내가 원하는 모든 것
all I want, All I want.
크리스마스를 위해서.
For Christmas. For Christmas.
내가 크리스마스에 원하는 건 너뿐이야.
All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you.
전화를 하는 것은
To call. To call.
나는 전화했어요.
I called. I called.
나는 그냥 전화했어요.
I just called. I just called.
나는 당신을 사랑해요.
I love you. I love you.
말하는 것은
To say. To say.
당신을 사랑한다고 말하는 것은
To say I love you. To say I love you.
난 그냥 사랑한다고 말하려고 전화했어요.
I just called to say I love you. I just called to say I love you.
믿는 것은
To believe. To believe.
나는 믿어요.
I believe. I believe.
나는 것은
To fly. To fly.
나는 할 수 있어요.
I can. I can.
나는 날 수 있어요.
I can fly. I can fly.
나는 날 수 있다고 믿어요.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.
깨는 것은
To wake up. To wake up.
나를 깨우는 것은
To wake me up. To wake me up.
나를 깨워주세요.
Wake me up. Wake me up.
가는 것은
To go. To go.
당신은 가요.
You go. You go.
당신이 가기 전에
Before you go. Before you go.
당신이 가기 전에 나를 깨워주세요.
Wake me up before you go, go.
젊은
Young. Young.
영원히 젊은
Forever young. Forever young.
영원히 젊은 것은
To be forever young. To be forever young.
나는 원해요.
I want. I want.
나는 영원히 젊고 싶어요.
I want to be forever young. Forever young. I want to be forever young.
내 마음
My mind. My mind.
내 마음에
On my mind. On my mind.
당신은 있어요. 당신은 이해요.
Your. Your.
당신은 내 마음에 있어요.
You're on my mind. You're on my mind.
항상
Always. Always.
당신은 항상 내 마음에 있어요.
You're always on my mind. You are always on my mind. You are always on my mind.
을 만나는 것은
To meet. To meet.
해리가 셀리를 만나요.
Harry meets Sally. Harry meets Sally.
해리가 셀리를 만났어요.
Harry met Sally. Harry met Sally.
해리가 셀리를 만났을 때.
When Harry met Sally. When Harry met Sally.
결혼하는 것은
To marry. To marry.
나는 결혼했어요.
I married. I married.
도끼,
An axe. An axe.
도끼 살인마.
An axe murderer. An axe murderer.
나는 도끼 살인마와 결혼했어요.
I married an axe murderer. I married an axe murderer.
그래서 나는 도끼 살인마와 결혼했어요.
So I married an axe murderer. So I married an axe murderer.
말하는 것은
To say. To say.
당신은 말해요.
You say. You say.
당신은 말해요.
Do you say? Do you say?
당신은 어떻게 말해요?
How do you say? How do you say?
영어로
In English. In English.
영어로 꽃을 어떻게 말해요?
How do you say
꽃,
in English? How do you say
꽃,
in English?
프라이드 치킨,
Fried chicken. Fried chicken.
프라이드 치킨을 먹는 것은
To have some fried chicken. To have some fried chicken.
하고 싶은 것 같은,
To feel like. To feel like.
나는 후라이드 치킨을 먹고 싶은 것 같아요.
I feel like having some fried chicken. I feel like having some fried chicken.
오늘 밤
Tonight. Tonight.
나는 오늘 밤에 후라이드 치킨을 먹고 싶은 것 같아요.
I feel like having some fried chicken tonight. I feel like having some fried chicken tonight.
Yum, fried chicken. I love it.
영수증,
The receipt. The receipt.
당신은 있어요.
You have. You have.
당신은 영수증을 가지고 있어요.
You have the receipt. You have the receipt.
영수증 있으세요?
Do you have the receipt? Do you have the receipt?
필요한 것은
To need. To need.
당신은 필요해요.
You need. You need.
영수증,
A receipt. A receipt.
당신은 영수증이 필요해요.
You need a receipt. You need a receipt.
영수증 필요하세요?
Do you need a receipt? Do you need a receipt?
을 받는 것은
To get. To get.
영수증,
A receipt. A receipt.
영수증을 받는 것은
To get a receipt. To get a receipt.
내가 할 수 있을까요?
Can I? Can I?
영수증을 받을 수 있나요?
Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt?
끝내는 것은
To finish. To finish.
너의 숙제.
Your homework. Your homework.
너의 숙제를 끝내는 것은
To finish your homework. To finish your homework.
너는 너의 숙제를 끝내.
You finish your homework. You finish your homework.
숙제 다 했어요?
Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework?